What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. We got a GMC, what is this, Denali? 66,000 miles. It's here for a dead battery and an oil change, so we're doing a maintenance inspection on it. Front tires are shot. Front strut's blown out. That's oil and gas charge all over that. Outside edge on that tire is bald. It's got some issues up there too. So 2 front tires are shot. The back ones are on their wear bar. No oil leaks. Brakes are okay for now. But yeah, 66,000 miles and all this work is needed. Shocking, isn't it? Stay with us. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Let's see what year it actually is. Oh, it's a 2019 Yukon Denali all-wheel drive. So front tires, a battery, struts, alignment. Woo! That's expensive, $60K on top of not doing the trannies, the fluids, the diffs, all that stuff. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thanks for watching.